Hello friends and welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this crispy air fried french fries recipe. This is a very quick and easy to make. Let's start. And for ingredients, what I have here is a crinkle cut french fries potato fries that I got from Walmart. It's about 2 pounds. It's less than $5. And what we're gonna do first is spray that basket, and then we're gonna put that whole bag of the potato fries. This is about 2 pounds. It fits on this type of air fryer. I have like a 5.8 size air fryer. You're not overloading it. This is actually a perfect size. The 2 pounds perfectly fit this basket. As long as you have like an 1.5 inch space from the top, then that should be good to go. Make sure you spray this with oil, any type of oil. I'm using a canola oil. You could use any other oil. That's really up to your preference. Give it a little shake. Now with the Cosori Air Fryer, it comes with the preset button, which is the French fries button. So all you have to do is select that, and we're going to cook this 380 for 25 minutes. Then after that, the Cosori comes with a reminder that it's time for you to shake it, like what it's doing here. It actually beeps, so that actually gonna tell you that it's time to shake the basket. Just release that lever, push it, and then shake that basket. Don't shake it too much, shake it gently. You don't want to destroy the fries, the shape of the fries. Spray it again with a little bit of oil. Place this back in the air fryer unit and continue cooking. And just like that, we made an crispy air fried French fries. This is a very good snack, very quick and easy. Just grab yourself a frozen fries. I just got mine at Walmart. Actually tastes good. You could top this with cheese, or you could put meat on top of it, like a taco fries. This is a good snack for football night. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. This is super crispy, less oil and less worry as well. I hope you like this video. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you next time. Subscribe please. Ciao.